In this video, we're going to have a look at saving a message in Microsoft Teams. So you might want to save a message, a file, a link that someone shared to have a look at later when it's a more appropriate time to do so. Or you might need to do some work on that information that's being shared. And you don't want to scroll down a whole conversation in a chat or have a look at a conversation within a channel and find the information you need. So if you hover over any chat message or channel message that you want to save, you'll see the bar pops up and you've got the three dots there. And the option at the top says save this message. So when I save this message, I'll get a little notification just below my image in the top right hand corner. And it'll just tell me that it's saved and I've got a little purple ribbon. So I can go on and continue to do what I need to do now. And when you save that and you want to go back at a later time to go and access your content, the piece that you've saved, or you may think about it as bookmarking a message, just go to your profile on the top right hand corner and the third option down is saved. And you'll see in there you've got saved messages. So I can see on my left hand side I've got a few of them. I've been saving them for different videos and trainings. And I can go and click and I can access. And it pops up in yellow. It doesn't stay yellow for long, but it just highlights the message. Because what it does do is it shows you the conversation around the message that you've shared. So you can see the context, which I think is really good. Once you finish saving, you're happy, you've gone through that link or that video or that document that's been shared, and you don't need to save it anymore. Just come back to this left hand side here and click on the purple ribbon again and just get rid of all those saved options. So have a go at saving some messages, some files, anything that's been shared with you on chat or channels, and then come back to it by clicking on your picture in the right hand corner and clicking on saved.